Oh, guys, wala akong dalang tubig dito. Hey guys, good morning. Today guys is February, I don't know, February 23rd. Basta, guys, hindi ko nakita sa calendar. And today guys, quick update. I'm fully recovered.
Hold up.
So, gusto tayo guys. And today guys, we'll be having some food vlog. So, I'm gonna get the food that we're gonna be vlogging. So guys, we have here the chili garlic. I mean chili garlic oil. So, see guys, is it in? Ito na guys. So guys, we will be trying this chili garlic oil by Photo Cheese Food Station. So, dami yung reviews ito guys, and I would like to thank the Photo Cheese Food Station kasi binigyan tayo ng sample nito, 2 pieces of this product para ma-taste natin. So, let's cook some food para ma-check natin kung gaano siya kaanghang. So, are you ready guys? Kasi I'm so ready. Let's go! Ano bang magandang lutuin guys? Pork? Maybe pork na lang, no? Pork or some fried pork or fried fish. So, tara guys, luto tayo. Let's go! Here's our pork chop guys. We have 2 pieces of pork chop. Ito yung lulutuin natin as ulam for today. So ito na yung natin guys, pork chops. Ready to cook na siya guys. And if you're wondering how did I prepare it guys, so simple lang. First, hinugasan natin. Of course, dapat yan hinugasan. Then, ilagyan natin ang asin, magic sarap, paminta, and some breading mix which is crispy fries. Yeah, crispy fries, something like that. I like crispy fry kasi mas nanunuot yung lasa, and then pag piniprito, ano siya guys, parang buo siya. So, eto na guys. Let's cook na and let's fry it. Let's go! Okay. High heat tayo guys, high heat. Para mainit yung mantika. Preheat muna tayo sa mantika guys, then ilulunod natin yung pork chop natin. So, any minute now, ilulunod na natin to. And I'm so excited to taste that chili garlic oil. Let's go! So guys, if gusto mo mag-order or if gusto mo mag-try to, no, in advance lang guys if you want this to try. So, you can comment below. I'm gonna put the link, and if you want to order, you can directly message me and you can have this. As low as 120 peso, you can have this delicious, amazing chili garlic oil. So, look in the description below guys. I think mainit na to guys, so lagyan natin. So guys, luto na siya. Eto na. Yun. Crispy na crispy yan guys. Tignan natin dito. And yung second one. Ito guys. We also have here guys a fried fish. So ito yung fried fish natin guys. Yan. Perfect for breakfast. So let's eat guys. Let's eat. So, open natin. Yan. Amoyin. Ma-feel mo talaga yung chili garlic oil from the inside. See it guys? Yan. So, pasensya na guys if medyo maingay sa labas is because marami sasakyan dito. No? It's okay. It's okay. Kuha tayo. Lagyan natin sa dito sa baba muna dito. So let's grab of the pork. Oh, mainit guys. Oh, can you see that? Wow, mainit pa siya guys. First bite. As always guys, yung mga mukbanger sinasabi, first bite guys, first bite. So ito na. Sakto lang yung pagtimpla ko guys, so far. Sakto lang siya. And next is, lagyan natin to. Lagyan natin to ng chili. Guys, wala akong dalang tubig dito. Oh my gosh. So, yan. Madami na yun guys ha. Kala mo maliit lang yun ha. Madami yan ha. I do like chili but sometimes na over na. Pero this time it could be a challenge for me. So, let's try the first bite. Oh. Ang hanggas, grabe. The other day guys, tinry ko siya nilagyan ng ketchup tsaka tuyo or silver spoon tuyo, pero nawawala yung anghang niya guys, so I prefer na nilalagay siya dito sa ulam niya agad-agad, tapos kainin lang. Ito masarap guys oh. Lagyan natin ng chili. Yan. Then, try natin yung fish. Ito guys ha. Lagyan natin guys. Okay. Yan. I'm sweating already kasi manghang. Sarap. Let's add more chili. See that guys? That's pure chili. So wala akong dalang tubig guys. Okay, may anghang na. Consider na to guys na first mukbang in 2022. Sarap guys, promise. Guys, nagkakamay ako kasi masarap magkamay. Nahugas naman ako ng kamay actually. I prefer guys mga fried, sarap siya, or grilled na pork, chicken, any type of grilled, masarap siya, or sa soup. You can add it on the soup. Sulit yung 120 guys, promise sulit siya. Thank you, Photo Cheese Food Station ha. Shout out sa'yo guys. Solid ka guys, solid. Baka sa tingin nyo guys, ano lang ako guys, joke lang yung paglagay ko ng chili guys ha. Ito guys, marami yan guys. Oh. Ito natin yung isa. Yun. Grabe guys. Lalong tumatagal, lalong umanghang. Mas nafe-feel ko yung anghang ngayon guys kasi ano lang, pure lang siya na ano. Ito lang. Medyo maingay sa labas guys kasi widening kasi ngayon dito sa amin eh. Can you see that guys? Grabe, ang hanghang. So mahilig niyan sa mga maanghang na pagkain guys or mga sauce. Eto guys, try nyo, promise. Ewan ko sa inyo guys ha, pero para sa akin guys, maanghang na talaga siya. Ano, sakto lang. Hindi naman masyadong maanghang na super like samyang, gano'n, hindi. Sakto lang siya. You can enjoy the food with it. Look guys ha. Oh, tubig. Grabe. Halos maubos ko yung chili guys oh. Bro, more. Ito natin guys. Yan. I need some water. Whew. Good. Last bite natin sa rice. Yun. Then, ito na. Yung pork. So guys, if you want to order guys ha, I put the link in the description, guys, and you can PM me actually for order. Woo! Hang. Oh, shit. Hang. Wala na. Yun, guys. Empty na siya, guys. Grabe. Super anghang, pero hindi naman masyado na hindi kakakain na sa kaanghang, pero sulit siya, guys. You must try it, guys, yung chili garlic oil. Chili garlic oil by Puto Cheese Food Station. So, yun, guys. Grabe. I'm gonna get some drink. Okay. Of course, guys, need natin ng pampatunaw ng pork. Ito, Sprite. Sana all Sprite. Ba't ka naman? So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sana nabusog din kayo. And let's make another food vlog soon. When I'm okay na. Okay? Kasi dito po ako sa bahay. And when okay na ako, we can go outside and try some new things, new foods. And see you on the next vlog. Peace!